Good morning, friends. ஸ்ரீ விநாயகா ஐஏஎஸ் அகாடமி டாக்டர் அரசு உங்கள்கிட்ட பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கேன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிற 30 கொஸ்டின், அதாவது 70லேருந்து 71லேருந்து 100 வரைக்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய 2020ஆம் ஆண்டு நடந்த சிவில் சர்வீஸ் ப்ரிலிம்ஸ் பேப்பர் 1க்கான கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இன்றைக்கி 71லேருந்து 100 வரை உள்ள கேள்விகளுக்கான பதில்களை பார்க்கலாம். இது வந்து சி டைப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஸோ கேள்விக்குள்ளே போகலாம். With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. Which of the pairs given above is correctly matched? Answer B. B for Bombay, Bunyan and Mirasida. These two and 3 are correct. Bunyan, Indian agent of the East Indian Company. Mirasida, designated revenue payer to the state. 2 and 3 are correct. Okay. Next question, 72 question. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statement. These also same. Option B, 2 and 3 the correct answer, and answer B is the correct answer. Next question, 73. Which of the following statement correctly explain the impact of the industrial revolution of India during the first half of the 19th century? Indian handcraft were reigned. Okay, answer A is correct. 74. Consider the following event in the history of India. Which of the correct chronological order of the above event starting from the earliest time? Option C is correct. 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay. Establishment of Pallava power under Mahendravarman I. Then 4. Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. Then 1. Rise of Paritharas under King Bhoja. Then C. Establishment of Chola power by the Pranakatha I. Okay. 75. Which of the following pairs defines the nature of hundi? Generally refers to the source of the post-Harsha period. Option C is correct. A bill of exchange. Okay. Then 76. With reference to the book Dashkar Kada, written by Shankaram Ganesh Deshkar during the freedom struggle, consider the following statement. Okay. Option A and D are correct, I think. So 1, 2, 3 are correct for this. 76. 77. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact included which of the following? Select the correct answers using the code given below. Option A or B? I think option A only. Some centers are giving answers B also. Okay. Anyhow, A or B. Okay. இதை நீங்கள் ரெஃபர் பண்ணி தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தால் எனக்கு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் 78. The vital Vidwan Shak, the first monthly journal to have the untouchable people as it is targeted audience, was published by Gopal Baba Valankar. Then 79th. With reference to the history of India, the terms Kulya Vapa and Drona Vapa denotes measurement of land. This is one type of measurement. Okay. Which among the following rules advised his subject through his inscription? This is very simple question. You can read out the passage. 80, question number 80. Option A is correct. Asoka. Simple, very simple history question from the NCERT question. Okay. Then 81. A parliamentary system of government, it is one of which. Option B, the government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. Okay, it is a very simple question from political science, Constitution of India. It is my favorite subject, political science. I'm going to write in a mains exam in political science only. Okay, my optional subject. Which part of the Constitution of India declares the deals of welfare state, directive principles of state policy? This is also A. 83 question. Consider the following. 83. Consider the following statement. Read out the statements. Which of the statement given above is correct? Statement 2 is correct. The Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the citizen liberates and to preserve the ideals on which the Constitution is based. Okay. Option B, for Bombay is correct. 84th question. One common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism is the final goal of the stateless society. The final goal of stateless society is the correct answers. Then 85, in the context of India, which one of the following is characteristics appropriate for bureaucracy? It's very simple. An agency for the implementation of public policy. Option D is correct. Then 86th question. The preamble to the Constitution of India, a part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect as any other part. Option C is correct. It is very simple question. Okay, please read out carefully and correct the answers. Correct the answers yourself. Self-explanatory only. Gold strength, reserve strength refers to a credit system granted by IMF to its member. IMF, International Monetary Funds. Then with reference to the 88 question, with reference to provision contained in part 4 of the Constitution of India, which of the following statement is correct? Option D is correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. 2 and 3. They shall not be enforceable by any court. The principles laid down in this part are to influence the make of laws by the state. The make of laws by the state. Option D is correct. D for Delhi. Then 89th question. Consider the following statement. Please read out this two statement. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option 1 is correct. Option A is correct. According to the Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote. According to the Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister in a state for 6 months, even if he and she is not a member of the legislative of the state. Okay, it is also a very simple question. Read out carefully. You can correct the answers. Consider the following statement. Okay, 19th questions. Option A is correct. One only. Which of the statement given above is correct? One only is correct. The President of India can summon a session of Parliament at which place as he and she think fit. Okay, very simple. See, the political science questions are very easy, not in difficult and moderate questions. It is a simple questions only. They are asking easy questions. Consider the following statement. Please read out this 4th statement. Which of the statement given above is correct? 2 and 4 are correct. What is the 2? State cannot enter into any contract with private corporation for sharing of the Aadhaar data. Then 4th, Aadhaar is mandatory for getting benefits funded out of the Consolidated Fund of India. Okay, 2 and 4 are correct. Rajya Sabha has equal power with Lok Sabha in the matter of creating new all Indian service. This is the correct answer. Some are saying some other answers. Won't believe that and all. This is the correct answer. The matter of creating new all Indian service. அதாவது ஆல் இண்டியன் சர்வீஸ்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய ஐஏஎஸ் ஐபிஎஸ் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ்களை உருவாக்கக்கூடிய மத்திய தேர்வுக்குழு நடத்தக்கூடிய எக்ஸாம்ஸில் எந்த ஒரு மாற்றத்தையும் கொண்டு வரணும்னா அது வந்து ராஜ்யசபாவால் மட்டும்தான் முடியும். சரியா? மற்ற அந்த கீழவைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய லோக்சபா எடுக்கிற முடிவு இறுதியானது கிடையாது. இதில் முக்கியமான பங்கு ராஜ்யசபாவுக்கு இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? இதை தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. 93 question with reference to the funds under member of parliament local area development scheme. So member of parliament local area development scheme MPLADS. Which of the following statement are correct? Read out the 4 statement. Select the correct answers using the code given below. 1 and 2 are correct. What is the first statement? MPLADS funds must be used to create durable asset like physical infrastructure for health, education, etc. Then 2, a specific portion of each MP's fund must benefit SCST's population. Okay, option A 1 and 2 are correct. 94th question, which one of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporate protection against untouchability as a form of discrimination? Rights to equality. It is also simple question. நல்லா படிச்சிங்கன்னா திரும்ப ஒரு டைம் 2 டைம் படித்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈஸியாக இதற்கான ஆன்சர் எழுதலாம். படிச்சிருந்தா இது ஒரு ரொம்ப ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின். அவ்வளோ ஒன்றும் கஷ்டம் கிடையாது. In India, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoyed by a directive principles of state's policy. B. Answer B. Before Bombay is correct. Then 96th, along with the budget, the finance minister also places other document before the parliament which include the macroeconomic framework statement. The aforesaid document is presented because this is mandated by option D, provision of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003. A constitutional government by definition is a limited government. A constitutional government is a limited government. Okay, it is also direct, very simple, easy question from NCERT books of political science. Other than the fundamental rights, which of the following part of the Constitution of India reflect the principles and provisions of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948? Option D 1, 2, 3 are correct. What are the 3 things? Preamble, directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties. Option D is correct. Then 99th questions. In India, legal service authority provide free legal service to which of the following type of citizens? Select the correct answers using the code given below. 1 and 4. Option D is correct. What is the first person with an annual income of less than rupees 1 lakh? All senior citizens. Okay, option 4. Consider the following pairs. International agreement setup subject. This is also option C 1 and 3. Alma Ata Declaration, healthcare of people. Then Delano Dialogue, global climate change. Thank you. நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். சேனலோட இணைந்திருங்க. நிறைய கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். இனி வரும் காலங்களில் நம்ம குரூப் 1, குரூப் 2, டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1, குரூப் 2 அட் த சேம் டைம் சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எப்படி பண்ணுறதுங்கிறத பற்றி நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். தினமும் சொன்னபடி 100 கேள்விகள் சப்ஜெக்ட் வழியாக ஹிஸ்ட்ரி, எக்கனாமிக்ஸ், பொலிட்டிக்கல் சயின்ஸ், ஜியாகிரபி அண்டு ஜென்ரல் சயின்ஸ் இதிலிருந்து 100 கேள்விகளாக நீங்கள் எக்ஸாம் எழுதுகிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலில் அப்லோட் பண்ணப்படும். தினமும் வருகின்ற திங்கட்கிழமையிலிருந்து அதற்கான வேலைகள் தொடங்கப்படும். கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் சேனல். தேங்க்யூ. நீங்கள் அனைவரும் போட்டித் தேர்வில் வெற்றி பெறுவதற்கு ஸ்ரீ விநாயகா ஐஏஎஸ் அகாடமியின் சார்பாக உங்களை வாழ்த்துக்கிறோம். நன்றி.